This is the best computer you can find. Price for value, money.
What is happening today?
Welcome to the unboxing of the century. I've done unboxing videos on my channel. This is the peak of my career, I guess. No, I need you. I need you at least now, okay? Now more than ever, okay?
Why? Why do we need the Wi-Fi box more than ever?
I think I'm about to have a computer finally. So the guy just like went down the street and then with a giant box and hope it's my box. I'm so excited.
Where are you going?
I'm getting my slippers, okay?
OMG!
Literally went the street with a giant box and now he's coming back without the box. What if he like took my computer to someone else and brings me like a book or like a receipt?
Did you buy a book or a receipt?
No, but like, what if it's like mistaken?
Then we'll have to go find where we put the box.
Hello. CAT USA. Wait, I gotta lock the door.
Well, I guess I could have gotten it for you.
I just hurt my titty.
That's the best thing. The cameraman doesn't have to do anything. Where are you gonna put it? Oh my gosh, don't ruin it.
I'm not gonna ruin it. Oh!
I told you we should have cleared off the space. Now we don't have space to put
I'm
it.
so excited!
What is
It is not
happening?
recommended that you keep the original package in case you need to return your order at a warranty. Fill the box first of all. I know it's just a box, but like it's more than a box.
Look, the box has a handle. Thank goodness.
Does it?
Well, he might have just punched a hole in it, but...
No, I think this is it. Oh my god. 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 Supplies from now on. If you any cleaning supply company that wants to sponsor us, we'll do everything. We'll prove how good your product is.
What is happening today?
Welcome to the unboxing of the century. I've done unboxing videos on my channel. This is the peak of my career, I guess. I'm finally getting up. I've got a PC system. Hopefully it's gonna be good. We're gonna go through it. This is the best computer you can find. Price for value, money, this summer, 2019. It's not summer, I don't know.
And how do you know that?
Because I've spent approximately 11 years trying to find it. So that's how I know that's the best computer you can find. Best price for money, best value computer. Okay. Ooh. I'm just saying this took many weeks to come, so hopefully this will be good.
And careful it doesn't fall out.
Yes, I'm trying to. Okay. So usually, as far as I know, you should be a way to take it up like this from here, but I'm gonna try to turn it like that. Neither of the sides seem to be helping, so let's just do it the old style. Wow. Okay. We are doing this, boys. So as I said, this usually should be taken out in one of the sides, but I don't think we have that luxury here, or if we do, I'm too stupid for it. So I'm just gonna show you my poor deadlift technique, and we're gonna take it out. Which means the bottom. We're gonna... I'm so scared and so excited and so nervous.
Don't worry, I got this cord.
Whoa, okay, got it. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you for your help. I couldn't do it without your support. Ta-da! And this is the computer. Oh, this isn't the computer. Yep, take careful. So this is, they said it's important to use when we're transporting it.
Okay.
So that's good, so I'll keep this. Let's look. Do you wanna take a look at this beautifulness? Look how this is.
Be careful, please.
Look at it. Look at this. You think I'm working out triceps all the time for no reason, Morgan? I've prepared for this for years and years, okay? I don't even know how to screw it. My hands are shaking. I don't know if you guys can see this, but like I'm legit shaking.
Oh my gosh.
If you've been a long-term viewer, you know how much I've been struggling with my setup and how much I've wanted a computer. You do that, Morgan, while I carefully take the stickers off.
Okay, this isn't screwing in.
Maybe you should do the other direction, I think. Perfect. I'm just gonna say it has a tiny scratch on the window. Can I just talk about that for a second? How dare you send me a scratched panel? God damn it.
Terrible.
That is pretty bad, actually. Let's see if it's fine. This side seems to be fine. Looking at the front, it has a foil on it. Oh, did you finish that?
Yeah.
This is how it's looking front. The front panel seems rather fine, to be honest. Also unpacking a quick keyboard. Just a random keyboard we bought for the computer. So you want to plug this in? It's not long enough. So I will need to come, I need you to come closer on the screen. The PC has a British one, okay. So if I ever trying to leave England, I have no chance. So how many more cords do we have?
So these two, and then we have this one.
Yeah, that's for sound, I think, for speakers. Okay.
You're missing a button.
Already?
Did you pull it off when you took it out of the box?
No, I don't think so. We can check it
Here's
out.
the box.
Mouse, cable, port. Was it easy to put the button back in?
Yeah. And I pressed it and it seems normal.
So I hope these goes with the USB ones because the ones down there don't work. Okay, and the keyboard, thank you, Morgan. So you said you just pressed it, it was easy, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm shaking, guys, honestly. If you're watching this video, I am shaking. This is what I've worked for ever. And I think it's about to get funky. Honestly. Do you want to put the screen a bit further down the way? Just a bit more. Closer to the wall? Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, Morgan, do you want to come and help me? Join me, I am my assistant.
Yeah.
Give me your hand, Morgan. Please, we're gonna do this. You're not reaching over. Okay. This is one small poke for humanity, one giant step for Vlad. 3, 2, 1, go.
Do we have to hold it longer than
No, I think we have to press the on button at the back so he gets powered through. Oh, that was good. That was good, good. The thing is, I saw the button, but now I'm so nervous that I don't see
I know,
it.
I saw it too. That was the first thing I saw.
Yeah, okay, okay.
I was like, I found the on button.
Oh, I see a light.
Oh,
Do you see the light?
Yep, let me
Oh, Morgan, don't trip. Okay, so that's the power light.
Hang on, camera's stuck. The camera's stuck on the tripod. Okay, I got it.
So there's a bit of lights in there. That's from the power in the back. So you can see it a bit here.
Should we turn off those lights?
Now Morgan, give me your hand this time. This time will work, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Press. Okay, look at the keyboard, man.
Ooh.
I don't think we turned on the monitor. Maybe that's the next step we should do. Yep. Wow, look at that.
How do you feel?
Nervous as hell. Whoa, ha. I mean, are we gonna explode? I need some water. Is the focus
I like
good?
your Corsair logo in there.
I like the Corsair logo too. I think that's what it's cooling it, I think. It says at the back, cable not connected. So we didn't connect a good cable. Get in there, yes! Just go out really quick. I got the problem, this is the cable, problematic cable I have in Romania. The HDMI cables are such a pain. Like, if I would be an engineer or someone clever enough, I would design something else instead of HDMI cables, honestly.
The light went blue on the screen.
Well, that's great. Oh, oh, oh! I think he's just doing his, like, beginning setup, you know? Mm-hmm. Finally! Hallelujah! 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 This is a wiggly light. Morgan, what are you doing here? Whew.
That was a close one.
Do you think we should try to take the foil off to see if it's the screen or not? It seems in it.
No, I think it's definitely in the screen, but...
PC specialist, if you see this video, I would like another glass panel because, you know, to make it correct. Okay, finally got to connect the monitor, the desktop. I don't even know. Look at this beauty. Look at so many colors. It's like they're just so happy to be mine. You know, I'm so happy they're mine. It's like great. Let's look at this beauty. What do we have in here? No, actually, that we can do a setup tour for that. Maybe if you guys are interested. This will be multiple videos. Will be probably one of the main videos, and one will be the back video with basically everything raw footage, unedited. If you guys really are interested in that.
You kind of like you're looking into a fish.
Yes, aquarium. Yes, that's a good one. Okay. Now let's see if we can do this without breaking my neck
or dropping anything.
You need the monitor to the desktop closer here, okay? And slowly, hopefully, but surely, hopefully, we're gonna put it down. Can you help me?
Yep.
I mean, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm Superman. Superman. If you want, looking for a new Superman, Henry Cavill, I'm coming for your job. So I think that's all, guys. I don't know if we're gonna go through the setup with you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, check the merch out, check Morgan's channel out. And hopefully we're gonna do a lot of great things with our new computer for new projects. Stay hydrated and see you next time whatever I do, because we kind of post videos every day!